Howdy, pilgrims. Today on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen, I'm gonna be making a recipe that was recommended by my brother-in-law. It's a John Wayne casserole. Back in the day, John Wayne submitted a recipe for a cookbook called Cooking with Love from Kara and her friends. It was a cookbook to raise money for the American Cancer Society. His dish was a dish that was full of love and joy. It involved things like eggs and cheese and jalapenos and tomatoes. Well, I'm not making that dish today. I'm making another John Wayne casserole that they created at the University of Mississippi Medical Center. They took that other recipe and they added some meat and a crust to it, but they still kept the tomato, peppers, and cheese, and that's what I'm making today. The crust involves buttery, flaky, jumbo biscuits that I'm gonna take right out of here and push it into this sprayed glass pan. I'm gonna press it down in there. I've smashed them in there, and now I'm gonna bake this dough for about 15 minutes in a 350-degree oven when it can get it nice and brown, golden brown. And now I'm gonna chop up an onion, a red pepper, and some tomato. Hey! Chop it up! I've got half of that onion here in this bowl, and I'll be adding a half a cup of sour cream, half a cup of mayonnaise, and then I'm going to be also mixing in 4 ounces of extra sharp cheddar. Now it's time to brown some ground meat. I'm using this plant-based chicken ground meat. Let's give that a try. Brown it up. Now you add some taco seasoning. I'm trying this Taco Bell taco seasoning. Okay, I'm going to take this meat and I'm going to pour it on top of those biscuits that are cooked. Now I'm going to saute those chopped vegetables. The next layer is those vegetables, followed by a can of jalapenos, or, like I'm using, green chilies. Next, I'm going to spread on that sour cream mayonnaise mixture and the rest of that cheese. I'm going to take this and bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now this looks like a casserole I can get behind. Well, it looks like perfection on a plate. Get along, little doggy, right into my mouth. That biscuit, that sour cream cheesy sauce, wow. This is a great casserole. Thank you, John Wayne, for helping make this come to be. And thank you, Jim's Kitsch Kitchen audience, for watching me make it. You can see more of these videos if you subscribe to my channel. There's a little button you can push that says subscribe. Well, I'll see y'all next time. Bye! Did you hear about the new cowboy movie that's called The Sun? It's set in the West.